This is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to use a USB drive on your iPad. So you can use this to transfer photos and videos to your iPad, or you can copy things over to your USB. So I have this USB that has a USB-C on the bottom, just like this, so I can just plug it in where it charges. Or you're going to need an adapter that's USB to USB-C, just like this. And then just plug it in the bottom where it charges, just like that. Now, when you have this opened up, you have to decide what you want to do. If you want to transfer photos from your iPad to the USB, we want to go to Photos. And just open this up. And if it's not discovering your USB drive, you do need to have this formatted with a PC to exFAT or FAT32. I don't believe NTFS will be a recognized file format. So if it's not showing up, that's probably the reason why. So go to your picture now, and we can just go to it, and we want to go to Share. Then if you scroll on down, you can see the option to save to files. Then we can see our USB drive on here. So mine is called No Name. You can create a folder if you want. There should be an option on the top right here. You can name it Photos, wherever. But I'm just going to save it to my USB drive. Boom, it is saved there. Now I think you can select multiple if you just hit select on the top, and you can just copy over multiple doing that. So just hit select there. Now if you want to do it the other way, we can go to App Library and just type in Files. Go to Files right here, hit this little thingy right here, and then go to your USB. So you can see No Name. You can see my pictures on here. Now I can transfer it back to Files. So I can hold down on here. There should be an option to move this somewhere. So if we go to the options right here, you can see all the different, we can go to Select, boom, 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 check mark, and then we can see Move here. You can go to on my iPad, and then you can copy it to here. So you can see it's doing some data transfer. So let's hit this button right here, go back to this, go to on my iPad. You can see everything transferred over here. So you can see my pictures are on my iPad now, and we can share these now. We can copy them, we can save image. So let's go to Save Image. I believe that might save it to my gallery here, so let's go to Move or Share, and we can just save it again to my images. So we can go to my let's go back over Photos, and you can see it's saved right there. So that's how you get it back to your computer, your iPad, if it's saved in files. So just go back and forth like that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.